Today we're making pineapple orange pops. Come on in, welcome to my home. Today's a really cool one because we're making pineapple orange pops, or you can turn this into a smoothie. You can do whatever you want with it. It is so good. I have about 2 cups of pineapple. Now, this is frozen. It will work with whatever fruit you want to do this with. I'm going to start off with about 1/4 cup of orange juice. That's really cold, and I'm going to start liquefying it. Once your processor can't go any further, add a little bit more juice. If you're using a fruit mixture that isn't really sweet, you can add honey to it. Pineapple's really sweet. It doesn't need the extra sweetener. Let's give it one last mix. Now you're just going to very carefully spoon this into your molds. Once you have your pops, once you have everything into your molds, you're just going to go ahead and place the popsicle tops on top of them. Whew, it's really getting hot in here. So then once these are all placed in the popsicle mold, you have all of your tops on. We're going to go ahead and put these into the freezer. I'm going to go ahead and put these into the freezer right now because it is so hot. Everything is melting right now. So I'm going to put them in the freezer and let them freeze until they're nice and solid. I'll admit, I did not expect this to go this way. It is so hot even inside here. Once you get these lights on, everything is melting instantly. So I'm going to do this really fast. These are the ice cubes. I just filled an ice cube tray with them. Let's try this. It has a taste of pineapple. Those are really good. They taste 100%. You've got the pineapple, you've got the orange juice. You can use pineapple juice, you can use whatever kind of fruit you want. You're just literally making a slushie. Now yes, those would be wonderful for slushies or whatever kind of sweet treat you'd want. I'd love to show you better pictures of it, but wow, it is so hot in here, it is not even funny. And under these lights, everything's melting. But I hope you make these. If you do, let me know. You can get a hold of me on most social media at CM Coleman Home. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. You can share it. Don't forget to subscribe and check out the other videos on this channel. I love making these videos for you, and I hope I get to see you again next time.